How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market or any market, whatever has the best reversal pattern for me. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that with my system. And I have an interesting ticker that a lot of eyes are on, and people are trying to analyze this and find out where this bottom is. So a lot of people ask me, so I'm going to make a video about it. And before I get into it, I do have a premium Discord. It's only $6. Do check it out, and I'll put the link into the YouTube comment section below and in the description, and you'll get my exact trade alerts that are high probable wins of over 90% win rate, and I'll show you exactly why they are high probability wins with this system right now. So we have NYCB. That's what I want to talk about, the New York Comnity, and what is going on here? What are we looking at here? So I want to go right into a weekly first. And then I want to just kind of describe how this system is. So you have the bottom band is your buy zone, the top is your sell, your blue band or middle is your reversion, the mean, the equilibrium, where price has to go back to. I repeat, price has to go back to this blue band. It doesn't matter how overextended to the bottom or upside it is. That is your equilibrium. As you can see, price goes down and it goes up, right? Now the weekly obviously takes a little longer, and I just want to show you guys some back testing on this. I'm not going to go through all of this, but let's just do some little. So price hits the green band, pumps up, right? Top pumps down, gets close, pumps. Here's a nice solid signal, gets right in here, $9 all the way to 11. And as you can see, it's always hitting this blue band, goes up, hits the blue band, goes down. It's like a wave of the ocean, up, down. And here was probably one of the best buy signals right here, and goes up massive right in here in the week. So here is the most overextended. We have a lot of news I've seen happening. I've seen a lot of downgrades that were happening, and I did a lot. Yeah, see right here, downgrades, a downgrade. Obviously, I don't listen to that, right? I look at what my system is telling me, and let's just say if it's extremely bad news, sure. But this thing will recover, and I'm going to show you exactly why. As you can see, when this weekly hit right in here, it went into that black zone, that dark zone where price just can't sustain that, and it gets to around 365 and pumps pretty rapidly and gets out of that into the high 40s. That is a nice little gain, right? And then we kind of sitting around. Now, here is the weekly right now. This is looking really nice. As you can see, it didn't penetrate like this weekly, but it did hit this bottom of around 332, right? Yeah, 332, and it just kind of pumped up a little. What I want to see is, for me to get in, is another price either hit this bottom band or slightly penetrate it on the weekly. That would give me a nice confirmation. And of course, we're oversold on the weekly, and we have a K of 15. Lower the K, which is this line right here, your KDJ. I just have it as the K. Lower the K, the more overextended or oversold and more of a snap you'll get, right? Now, what you do is you look at the daily. The daily is where you can get more of a precise entry. These candles were ignored because of the weekly and the KDJ. Like I said, I use a couple things of confluences. If you look at this candle, it has a 59K, way too high. Even though it's under this green band, it doesn't mean you buy right away. Way too high, 41, 30, 20, 15. Now we got juicy, right? We're getting into a nice juicy range of 14 area, and then we get a nice bounce here, 16%. You can make a solid 20%, and then it kind of almost hit this blue band. It will, though. As you can see on the daily, it's like going in fluctuating waves. Obviously, yeah, right here, nice sell signal. Obviously, we're in a point where, yes, it's being a little more volatile. The shorts are really shorting this one, but it will recover. I've seen a lot of stocks, even Dollar General was one that was really bad, but it recovered quite nicely in a lot of the bank crisis and stuff, right? But yeah, right now the daily is not under. I would like to see that daily under with confluence the weekly under to see a nice little buy signal to make an easy 20 to 30% gain is what I would think this does, because this has the eyes, it definitely has the volume. This was 123 million volume right there. So there's tons of eyes on this, right? So that's what I'm looking at, and that's how we get these precise entries and make pretty decent money. I think coming in the next week, usually when I see this kind of news, I do see it going lower, unfortunately, to hit my system. As you can see, some of these candles were way under before they corrected. But it will come back, and if you're getting at the entry that I alerted at, you're going to be super happy, and this could be a good long term. But if you want to make those fast gains, I am the person where I'm going to alert those nice precise entries, because after daily I go into a lower time frame to get more of a better entry. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see my favorite alerts and how this system works and how to get all these indicators on your screen, join the Discord. You will not regret it. I have an all-time cheap price of only $6 a month. You cannot beat that. Other Discords I've been in and memberships, they're charging hundreds of dollars, even worst case thousands, and just for you to get a watch list, and you don't see the entries, the exact limit prices, and you don't get an exit plan. You just get this stock could go up 100%. I don't know why, and you just buy it randomly, right? And just hoping on someone else. Well, at least this, I'm going to give you a setup video, and you can see exactly how to get these indicators and a more detailed video of how to use this video, right? Because there's a lot of circumstances of when to buy, when to sell, what to look for. So I have a video where you can find these plays yourself, where I'm leading you how to be a fisherman instead of just copying, right? And then obviously, if you want to copy, I have trade alerts. That's up to you. And I give you exactly my entry and exit. So this is all $6. If you're grandfathered in early, we're almost at over 500 members. When we get there, it will increase. But as of now, it's only $6. And what you would do is I'll put this link down below into the YouTube comments, and I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades, guys. I do a lot of time research and trying to find them. And when you click that, you'll go into this free chat area. And what you want to do is find this subscription tab where I was at. Click on the premium chat, and you'll be opted in for a subscription payment of only $6. And if you do it on a computer, it is slightly cheaper because you avoid the IOSC. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to know when I get in and kind of how this system gives you, the precise entries, and you avoid random candles like in these waves of consolidation or in a downtrend, and you wait for those reflection points, and it's simple to use, easy to use. Like I said, a little about me. Like as you can see right here, nice little candle here, making you massive gains all the way to the upside. This system has made me profitable for over 6 years. It has a win rate of over 90%. Not all systems are perfect. It's not 100% bulletproof, but I will say on the higher price stocks, it is a lot easier to do. And this is a stock, anything over $1, this system works amazing. And lesser stocks, you got to be a little more careful, right? As they're more risky, right? But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what your average share price is. Any type of engagement will help the algorithm share it to other retail traders that are interested in this stock and looking to find the bottom. And it'll share it to help people find a system that works. Because obviously, if you're watching this video, you like to find reversals in bottoms that are shares that are taking massive, like from $10 and now we're down to $3. This is, I'm your type of guy. I like to find cheap share prices, and I like to get in early before it's running. And that way I can sell it to the chasers, right? So yeah, join the premium Discord. It's only $6. You won't regret it. It'll be in the YouTube comments, and I'll see you there. Take care. Peace out, and happy trading.